blizzard. And see, these well, 8 to 19 inches. And I'm 5'3". So the snow only goes up to my knees, but still kind of terrifying. I have to walk backwards because I don't want my face hitting snow. See? Like, oh my god, I have to get my foot up. It's so freaking hard to do. See over there? It's like tornado winds and everything, man. And look up there. Look at this. Look at the sun. He's having a jolly old time, isn't he? I feel like I'm living in Antarctica, but to Antarctica people, this is just like 1%. As I said, Antarctican people. I can't handle this, man. I can't. I'm going back inside. It's too cold. It's a mess.
This one's for you.
Oh, thank you very much, sir.
Merry Christmas to you.
And Merry Christmas to you, too.
Holy goat cheese. Oh my god. Here's my white donkey. She was out there when they were able to see her. So that has been my adventure outside. I now see everything as a lighter color than it already is, but yeah.